What's up, everybody?
Hey
Welcome to my 3
and me.
But it's just 2 today. My 3 and me. It's just 2. Today we're going to do the No Burp Challenge by who is it? Jaleel Odom. Yeah, this is Jaleel's. Alright, so if you haven't checked him out, he's a really great guy. The king of burps, you guys. He makes the food look so good when he smacks, but he's going to always make sure that he gives you a good old burp. Okay, a really good old burp. So we're going to do this. Right here we have to drink, oh, well this right here is a little, we got to drink half of this. Because see,
y'all, I'm going to drink the full thing because, you know,
it's
I'm
supposed
the goat. I'm so the goat.
Half of the label. So, half with no burps, okay?
So,
yeah.
To half of the K on here. So,
yeah.
if you look at our drinks here, here's the K, so we drink to about right there.
Yeah.
So, let's get into this challenge.
All right. Karen dropped mine, so it's, oh, this is a lot of sugar. See, I knew mine was going to fizz up. I knew it was.
I'm the goat.
Okay. Ooh! Wait, you got to wait on this.
I just got a little sip.
Ooh, y'all.
Ew.
I don't know about this.
Who want to trade? You?
No. Huh? The guy who can smell it. Yeah, Terrence. No, why he gave me grape, y'all. Grape makes me gag.
Y'all, this thing fire.
Okay.
Yeah, I knew that.
This is a lot. This is so a lot. So a lot. Okay.
Hold on. Take deep breaths first because that helps you.
No, that's going to help you burp.
No, it's not.
Yes, because you need to go. That's what Jaleel does. Let me blow all the air out. Okay. The baby scratched my arm.
Y'all, I'm good at this, so.
Okay, y'all ready?
Yeah. Y'all
Come on. Come on. Ooh, that's a... I ain't even trying. Okay, no burps. And this boy right here can burp his tail off, y'all. So I had one little girl tell me, you need to eat more healthier. But little did she know her name is very unique. Antoinette Jamons. While she's trying to be rude and a troll. I was like, ain't you so-and-so daughter? And ain't your daddy so-and-so?
Yeah, I done already drunk about half this thing, and they tripping.
My Lord,
She deleted that comment. So she really gonna have something to say on this one, huh? This is a lot of sugar. All my fatness. Eat more healthy. All I had was some fried chicken.
I got a burp.
It's on the label now.
Top of the label.
Yeah.
It don't even look like I done drank none. Yeah, it look like.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna be the first one to burp because I burp a lot. Let's see.
Got me,
hold on.
You should have got me
Put it on the
Coke. I can't drink right.
How much have we drunk? Whoa.
It makes me gag.
Okay, now y'all see.
Go ahead, and you ain't burped.
I'm not gonna chest hurt.
Ooh, well, slow down.
This will make me burp.
Okay. Oh, my stomach hurt.
My nose hurt. Hey.
I don't like grape.
My chest.
Oh, I don't like grape. It just makes me gag. It makes my throat close. I can't. Lord, I can't do this. Look at this. It don't even look how much I drank. Look at the nice. Look at the nice. And Terrence.
Oh, I can feel burp coming.
Hold it down. Hold it. Hold it.
Swallow.
Hold it.
Swallow, Naya.
Hold it.
Look. Act like you finna let it out and then swallow.
It's like right here.
I know that's
my throat close.
but all of that was swallow and it helps.
Woo!
Hey,
Let's see. You cheated.
What you mean?
Because you trying to spill it.
I did it did that.
I'm gonna have to give up. Because this is nasty. I dang so didn't want orange. Give me a wild cherry Pepsi. Y'all know that's my drink.
Okay, well then, I could have
damn-
got you that it made you drink fast. I mean, burp faster.
No, I'm not gonna burp, but I can at least swallow it. Grape and strawberry.
Why
That's my
does it
throat
taste so low?
closed. No, I don't.
The taste so low.
Woo!
Like I'm literally on top of it though.
Okay, swallow.
No, but you gotta.
My stomach hurts.
Okay, I burped. I know you burped. Okay, well, come on. I give up. This is nasty. I don't like her. Look how much of night you drink, y'all. It's so wonderful. Oh, yeah. There go one. That's a good one.
I can feel another coming.
I just cannot. I can't
I'm
even
burping
swallow.
so much right now, but I'm swallowing it.
Well, you gotta keep going to the cake. Yeah, I just can't
My
swallow
stomach
it down. We gonna switch. This is mine. This is Anaya's. Ooh, I drank a lot. Woo! Y'all see how much your girl did it? You know what I'm saying? I did it, y'all. I did it. Come on. I think you up there cheating. You doing? No, that was a forced one. You got to drink. I ain't even gonna attempt it like that. Take yours. Okay, I'll do
I
two
felt
more
that last
swallows.
break. That last break. I felt that one.
You felt it?
I felt that one.
Okay, let me see if I can. Yeah. Okay. Oh, never mind. Excuse me. I was gonna try it, but I gave y'all a burp. I tried. Look at this. Yeah. It's just grape. Grape is disgusting. Okay, Taryn, down that on there.
See, that's how
All that sugar.
Stomach cramping.
The stomach cramp. Where you going?
You almost to the K, Taryn. Like,
Yeah, you got don't leave the camera. The stomach cramp.
Yeah. Only when my person was like that, it's like my person's weird.
My stomach. Oh, my stomach.
Lord Jesus, Jaleel.
Oh, my stomach hurt.
My kids gave you some good old massive.
I can burp my ABCs now because you.
Oh, I thought you was gonna say burping sauce, y'all. I thought I was gonna be like, what?
I'm to the tea though. I'm like bottom of the tea.
Okay. Let me give y'all. Let me drink some. This is just a lot of sugar, Lord. 1, 2, 3. It made my throat close. This is nasty. Ooh, hold on. I'm almost to the. I'm to the label. Hold on. Let me get to the label.
Y'all, I'm to the gate. Let's get it.
Oh, you gotta get to the middle.
Y'all forced that. I'm good. Wait a minute.
You thought the cake was lower on that side.
On me.
I almost to the bottom of the tea though. Oh yeah.
Okay, that's it. Okay. Oh shoot! I didn't even mean to push that one out. Excuse me. Okay. Woo! We did it. Not quite, y'all.
I'm done.
Taryn got to the cap. Taryn got halfway through.
No, I'm through. Look, I'm to the middle.
I
of the
know.
thing.
I'm saying you got halfway through the bottle, baby.
Yeah, so they made it up.
And now you got about 2 more swallows and she'll have it.
So I'm the champ, except for I burped.
But
So
yeah,
I'm lowered.
this was a fail.
This was a fail, but I did finish it. If y'all can see this, I did finish it all the way to the middle of the K.
I'm right here.
You down here.
Ah,
You down here.
I got a burp coming, like a massive burp coming.
Y'all see me? I'm just like barely. I'm
Are
just
y'all
barely at the
fingers?
rim. Whew, Lord.
I
Well,
swear,
we did it. We
in a
did
minute, y'all gonna hear
Why?
cause I'm finna pee, y'all.
What? Shut up.
That's what the fuck.
Anyway.
I burped. My chest don't hurt no more.
That's just, that was that gas. Okay. Well, we did it, Jaleel. We challenge anybody else who has not done this. Destin and Desiree, D2D. No, D2 times. I'm gonna get it right the first time. D2 times. Have y'all did this yet? Y'all on too. Y'all young enough. Cricket and CJ, y'all young. Have y'all done it? I don't think y'all have. I don't remember seeing it. Who else? No limit. No limit 4K or whatever, y'all.
It's just 4K.
I ain't mean to say it like that, but I'm close. I know it says like 4 no limit, something like that. Who else young I got on my ice cold?
10 Squad Vlogs.
10 Squad Vlogs already did it. Unless you want to do it on his channel.
Good.
But yeah, so if y'all do this, make sure y'all tag Jaleel.
If y'all do this, get the skinny 2 liters.
Jaleel Odom.
If y'all do this, get the skinny 2 liters, not the.
You can't get skinny. This is the
I don't care. You better cheat and make it look like it's the biggest ball.
Listen.
Who cut this up? I'm gonna just say this right now.
Don't be nasty.
Y'all finna hear a grizzly bear burp in about 2.5 seconds.
Anyway, we want to say thank you guys for watching so much. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you guys got a laugh. Jaleel, I hope you enjoyed these burps. Everybody else who don't like them, I'm sorry. That is the part of the challenge. But yeah, more challenges coming up. More challenges coming up. I want to do a lot more. I mean, not a lot of challenges, but you know, some that's within something that I know I can do, you know. Like my next one I want to get into, probably next weekend we'll do some more. Like the pickles and whipped cream. I might try that real soon. And, because I like pickles. Because I like pickles. So, that's something, is it going? It's a sale going? The timer going? Okay. Because I like pickles, so we'll see how that tastes. If anything, I can eat the pickles. You know? Yeah, so I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Hit that bell. Thumbs up, yeah, that's like it. And comment. If you hit the subscribe button, go ahead and hit that bell to the side. Make sure you see the parentheses so you can be notified as soon as another video uploads from us. Yes, leave us a comment. Let us know what you think. Be nice. It don't make sense in you being a troll, people. We're just regular people just like you. So, yes, I'm a big girl. My kids is chunky and kind of
skinny.
With a little meat.
I am skinny.
We know that. Just because you see us eating the trending things that everybody else is eating, yes.
B loves life skinny and she eat a lot.
I'm a MSMD on YouTube, okay? Monkey see, monkey do. On YouTube, okay?
MMC.
So if you see me eating some fried chicken or some nachos or whatever, then
y'all, this woman
just
said
look
some MMCD.
MSMD.
But at first she said MMCD.
Monkey do.
I did not. So, yes, I'm following the trends. Why? Because I want you guys and everybody else who don't know us to sit up to see what we're doing. Give me some views, give me some likes, give me some comments, and subscribe. That's it. That don't mean when them cameras ain't rolling, you don't know what we're eating. Do we eat a lot of fried foods over here? Not barely. No, not really. But I will. When I turn this camera on, how often do we eat tacos?
Never.
Not often. You know what I'm saying? But I will for this camera.
Not eat tacos.
You know what I'm saying? So trolls, y'all can keep talking. This will be the first and the last time that I will address you guys. I don't care how old you are. This will be the first and the last time. And if I recognize your name, I will call your parents.
And I will get on your channel and put you on blast, because I'm not playing about that. No cap.
Look at him
Anyway.
trying to act all hard. You see how he just try to get a little gangster? A little gangster.
I'm trying to act hard. Oh my god.
Whatever. Okay. But that's all, you guys. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, go out and be loved today. Show somebody some compassion. Be nice to somebody. Give them a hug. Check on your old ones. Older loved ones.
Walk
Check
your
on your
old lady
pets.
across the street.
Check on your pets. It's really hot outside. For the flood victims, you
Ooh.
guys, the water is rising. Arkansas River is flooding. It's coming from Oklahoma. So that means maybe some surrounding states might be flooding as well. I don't know. So if your government says to evacuate, please listen. Water is no joke. I'm terrified of it. Terrified. Okay. So, terrified of it. So if he say you need to get out, or she say you need to go, then baby go. You can come on down to Arkansas. North Arkansas. Not quite central, because we're kind of flooding a little bit. But Jacksonville is okay for right now.
Because we're a boring country and we don't do anything.
Country,
We don't have
State.
states,
water.
Continent.
continent.
I don't know. I don't care. I don't know. My thoughts is not right. I'm focused on my stomach because it's hurting. Now hit that thumbs up button. Hit that notification button if you haven't hit that subscribe button. And please get back to us when we see another video.
All right, so on that note, we're going to say thanks for watching. Bye you guys.